Here is an OxyBio breathing trainer. OxyBio respiratory trainer can give you an easier and stronger lungs. As you can see, it is a breathing trainer that only costs 1,473 and 96 cents pesos. It can train your breathing muscles and train your lung power and keep your pace longer on stairs, rides, and even into turns. It is a quality you can feel. It is rust-proof, steel valve, and crack-proof silicone, fully adjustable resistance, premium quality materials, no batteries refills or liquids needed. You can train anytime, anywhere, because you can use this on morning, midday, or night. As you can see, it is built for the long haul. It has a premium silicone body and rust-proof stainless. This is the concise comparison between its competitor, and it is a small tool but has a big impact. Let's go to the product details. As you can see, it is adjustable breathing resistance, full cycle breathing exercise, built to last, and convenient for lung capacity exercise. As you can see, it only offers a very cheap price.